Alrighty, let's get around the door sprayed, shall we? Let's see how this works. What I'm going to do afterwards is I'm going to cut it. It's cold. Gotta warm it up. The can is too cold, it's not squirting out. I should have had it laid a little bit closer to the stove. That's going to be a problem there. The bigger part down on the bottom is going to be a problem. I'm going to have to poke something in here to fill it. That might work. Warm it up, squirt a little bit, warm it up, squirt a little bit. Let's see if we can get some of it to stick here. I really doubt it's going to. Might be. It might just work. If I can reach it. Oh. Not getting much extension of it. I was only sitting there for a minute anyway. Might work out okay. So what's in it? Look, it's cold. Good thing is once this stuff dries on, it'll be like glue. And it won't come off, and it'll hold the wood. Oh, that one fell down. Because of that. The tarp is moving, and it's pulling the insulation out. It might have it. Not bad. Hopefully that holds a lot of the wind out and lets the heat build up a little more. I'll know pretty soon because my feet will get warm. My feet gets warm, then it's warming up in here good. Filling in holes, filling in holes. A lot of holes is better left in. Much better. Still a little bit left in this. I want to use for a few minutes. In the meantime, I'm going to lay it where it's going to stay a bit warm. Kettle is starting to boil now. I got to fix my tripod. Oh, there we go. So let's get my cup all ready. Wait, no. Tea bag. Sweetener. Fingers are sticky. I got a bit of that spray foam on them. Kettle's really boiling now. That's good. One thing I don't have, which I kind of forgot, is a bit of butter from my cast iron pan. This is the cast iron pan that was gifted to me by Secret Santa. There is a video about that out. You guys can go back and have a look at it. It was the Secret Santa for Joe, Garden State Gardener. Fantastic guy, fantastic channel. Check him out if you get the chance. You won't be disappointed. But anyway, first thing I'm going to do now is put this on and start it heating up before I put my ham in that in. Let's get my tea poured up, shall we? Move my phone. Now what I am going to do is I'm going to refill my kettle and put it back on so that I got some hot water to wash this stuff up. And I got this big ginormous jug of water here to fill it up with. And it's ice water, so it'll take a while for it to boil. Hurry it up this time, all the way, as much as I can. Without going over. There we go. Yeah, the ham was pre-cooked a bit, so Should have thought about butter. Actually, look. Duh, oh my god. Stunned. 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 I have oil. Probably already stuck now, but it might help. Oil. Stunned, 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 stunned. That's me not thinking. I don't think about what I have, I only think about what I should have. I could have put a bit of oil in and let the oil heat up in the pan first. That would have been the smart thing to do, right? Not the me thing to do. The me thing to do is throw your eggs in first, let them stick on, then throw some oil in on top of them. It works like a charm every time. Guaranteed to make your eggs stick. I'm going to use my metal fork for this. I'm going to try to... Yeah, it's stuck on pretty good there. That's it. It's a sunny side up stuck on egg. That's what it's going to be. Still be tasty. I'm relatively happy with my little stove. The doors could use a little bit of work on the door, but it works. Tea is really hot. Always really hot when it makes it on a stove like this. And it's cold out, so it seems hotter. Even out in the woods when it's warm out, it still seems hotter. Ah, it's weird. It is what it is. Temperature is up to 10 degrees Celsius right now, which is a balmy 50 in here. That's pretty good considering outdoors is... What's the outdoor temperature saying? Feels like minus 18 Celsius. So minus 18 Celsius would be 0 Fahrenheit. Yeah, chilly. It said, frig, it's cold. That's what it says. When I looked at the weather report said it's friggin' cold. This is doing good. My egg is not cooking out really bad. Pan handle's heating up. Cast iron. You know, the whole pan gets hot, but it stays hot and it cooks really well and I really likes it. And I don't leave it out here because I don't want it to rust. So when it washes it, I'll oil it and I'll bring it back inside. I'll put my oil away. That, my friends, is a snowplow. It's not snowing, but it's still cold and wet. Well, not wet, but cold and spicy and slippery. So that makes a difference, big time. Hang on it again. That's my makeshift sink. Hanging on a nail. It's just hanging out. That cut down on so much of the draft behind me. It's not even funny. got some plans to do some more work on this now this summer. Well, summer, fall, whenever. I do have to get more wood, obviously. But once I get it, it should move along rather quickly what I want to do. Hopefully. But we'll see. My salt and pepper for my egg, because I know they got salt and pepper in here. I don't have my salt and pepper. Oh no. Oh well. Salt reduced diet today, guys. I got oil, but I don't have my salt and pepper. There's always something. Always something. And here goes that plow again. That was a different one. Checking out my analytics on my phone. Not doing too bad this month. We'll focus more on some videos for you guys this year. Especially when I go out places. I have the vehicle now, so I can do some little videos of little places that we visit now this summer. Let you guys have a look at the beautiful countryside of Newfoundland. And let you all enjoy some of the smaller communities that I go and visit. Like there's one in particular that I gotta bring you guys to. It's called Brigus South. There's a couple places here called Brigus. There's a Brigus Junction, Brigus South. Brigus South is the one that I'm going to because it's the oceanside one, and it's very, very, very nice. And I think you guys will really enjoy it. I might be able to get my egg to flip, actually. I can. Look at that. Oh, no, not, there we go. I almost flipped it out onto the stove. So it's not sunny side up, it's stuck. It's just over easy stuck. I better go to lay my pan on what I'm eating. Before I do that, I'll stoke up the stove again and get that pumping some heat out. So it wants to be warm while I'm eating. I wonder if I'll get a pour out of this today. It would be really nice if I do. Man, they're doing something going out there. Well, the stove's all stoked up. That look good. It's going to be delicious. I can even pour some water in this pan and let it boil out on the stove. That's good, guys. That is really good. Really, really good. I wonder what those trucks were. It's not all plows. I wonder if I had a crucible to put my stuff in this stove, would it make a difference? Probably would. I don't think the graphite will cool off as quick. The only problem with that is it's graphite. And graphite's strong enough, but it can be pretty brittle sometimes. Interesting enough, graphite is the stuff that they use in pencils. It used to be lead. Lead pencils. They changed it to graphite for obvious reasons. I'd much rather handle graphite than lead. That's delicious. Now, throw some water in that. Let that heat up so I can wash my stuff. Sit down, have my tea. Let my fire burn. And I can tell you, well, the temperature dropped down a little bit. Now, I can tell you when the stove is going up and down. Hopefully when I get this all up to par, I won't have to worry about that at all. Not at all. I'm going to have my tea now, guys, and I'm going to have a look at a few little things. And I'll get back with you very shortly. Well guys, I really hope you enjoyed this set of videos on my back step. I really appreciate all of the views, all of your love and support. Couldn't have a channel without you guys. And I hope you appreciate and enjoyed the little projects that I've done here on this series. Look forward to making some summer videos. Look forward to the summer in itself, just for the warm. Hopefully it's not a wet summer like it has been the past few years. We'll just wait and see. Thank you guys so much. Tune in next time. And always remember, be safe, have fun. Hit that subscribe button if you're not a subscriber. It's free. And share out the video. It all helps, guys. I really appreciate it.